Hi, everybody.
Hey everybody, welcome to Hands on Science, where if you ever need something to do, this is the place to be. This is Carr.
And this is Mel.
Hey Carr.
Hey, Mel. So,
What's going on?
I have here a aluminum rod.
Okay.
And this is violin rosin. So if you find this like in your hometown or whatever, you're probably gonna find it as a music shop. This is rosin for like a violin bow and bowstring.
Yeah, you just rub it right on.
Yep.
Yeah.
You can also, like, I don't know where you would find this, but this is tree rosin.
Tree rosin.
So rosin comes in this form too.
Wow. Okay.
And what I've been doing, I don't know if you noticed, my hands are a little dirty.
A little dirty.
I've been dipping my fingers and kind of rubbing some of that tree rosin around just out of this tin. It's all broken up, and so it makes your fingers kind of sticky.
Right.
And I'm gonna show you one of the coolest
Sticky
things. I just learned this for the first time,
you?
and I'm so excited about it.
Did you? Okay. There's a rod.
This activity is called the Howling Rod.
A howling rod.
And I'm gonna show you why right now. I'm gonna hold this.
Howling me?
Yep. No,
you're gonna hold it?
But howling like a wolf would howl. So I'm gonna hold this in approximately the center of this rod, and then I'm gonna take my fingers and I'm gonna rub my fingers with this rosin across this aluminum bar.
Okay, let's see. Oh, I hear it. I hear it.
Do it one more time.
Yeah, one more time. All right. We can totally hear that.
Now you understand why it's called the Howling Rod.
Yes.
So you can find a little more detail about this activity in our book, The Wizard's Book of Science Secrets. So you can check out this activity. This activity is out of the red volume.
The red volume right here.
And there's 24 more activities in this book in addition to this one. So if you want to pick up a copy of this, check it out at hardwaresciencehawaii.com. If you liked this activity and liked this video as much as I did, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. And as always, subscribe for more. And until next time, I'm going to teach Melanie how to do this next.
Oh, please do.
Okay.
All right. Bye, everybody.